Welcome. In this video I will show you how to switch between PC and AV modes on your Samsung ViewFinity S8. To do that, you have to press the joystick button on the back side of the monitor that you can easily reach from the bottom of your monitor. Press it once, then navigate it up to highlight menu option, then press it once again. Okay, and this way you will get to the main settings menu. Here you can navigate on the sidebar using up or down movements. Now this way, navigate down to system and press joystick button once again. Then scroll down to PC/AV mode, and here you can select the PC or AV mode for each input you use on this monitor. So we can change it, for example, for HDMI port, DisplayPort, and USB Type-C. Just select the type of mode you want to use and press joystick button to confirm your choice. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.